Okay, cool. So I hope everybody can see me and hear me. Great. So let's start the class. Very wonderful evening to all of you. So yesterday, whatever classes that we missed, so I was thinking to like have an extra class. Okay, so that the pending portions we can complete in that extra class. If you want to attend the extra class, please click on S so that I know how many of you will be attending the extra class, because yesterday there was no power, no? So we missed out on that. If you can attend the extra class, click on S. If you cannot attend the extra class, then click on no. This extra class will be on Sunday. Okay, timings, everything I will tell. Once I'll discuss with my sir, and then we can schedule the timings. Okay, so I repeat, extra class for foundation based on missing characters will be conducted on Sunday. No, not tomorrow. Not tomorrow. Okay. Will be conducted on May 31st, Sunday. Timings I will tell. Those who can attend, click on S. Those who cannot attend, you can click on no. Timings I will put in the group. I have to discuss with sir and finalize the timings. Okay, so that we can cover up all those things which we missed, because I understand in my home. Okay, so we missed on some classes. Okay, so I will write it here. So I hope you can see on the screen. No, not this. 9th standard. Okay, I will write here extra class for missing characters, so that we can finish all the other questions which are pending. Date May 31st. Time will be put in the WhatsApp group. Okay, so how many Maharashtra students here? So just click on the S icon. Maharashtra students, those who attend only my foundation classes. Okay, you can just click on S icon. So I will write here, Aman sir will inform students. Okay, fine. So you don't worry. So every week, please collect your homework from sir. Okay, so whatever homework I give, you have to collect it from sir, because I am not there in your group. Otherwise, I would have posted in your group, Maharashtra students. Okay, so you can please collect it from Aman sir. I will send it to sir. Sir will inform. Okay, so extra class on May 31st, Sunday. Timings, everything I will tell. Why this extra class? To do the doubt solving classes on missing characters. Okay, so which we are a little bit behind. Okay, fine. So with this, let us start today's class. Other things, notes, everything, I don't know. Okay, so sir will communicate. Okay, for others, Karnataka students, so you can see it in the folder. Okay, notes link. If it is not there, let me know. I will inform the concerned person, so that everything you can find over there. Okay, cool. Or if you have any queries or something, just let me know. Okay, you can just ask me directly if you have any other issues. Okay, cool. So yesterday we were seeing something called stargazing and the telescope which was there in Ladakh. Okay, so we'll finish that video and then we'll continue. Okay, so if you do not remember, yesterday I was telling you about this stargazing. Okay, so how I fell in love with stars and watching this night sky, constellations and all those things with my grandfather. Okay, so if you also have certain hobby as watching the star, say this is my favorite thing in the night. Okay, so I just see the night sky. Okay, it's just beautiful. So this is the video of the Indian Astronomical Observatory, which has set up this huge telescope, spending a lot of crores of money in Ladakh, very, very far away from us. And the reason for that, you will see in the video. Okay, so let's go and watch this awesome telescope in Ladakh. Images of all the stars, constellations, everything. And that is the whole reason of having this telescope over there. If you ever get a chance of going to Ladakh, please don't miss out on visiting this telescope. Okay. So with that, let's start today's class. Okay. So just quickly write. As I told, missing characters. We will be having this doubt solving class on May 31st, Sunday. You can please attend, and anything right from question number 1 till the end. Whatever doubt you have, you can just attend the class and clarify your doubts. Okay, so that you are completely perfect with missing characters. So today I have to start a new topic. This new topic is called analogy. Okay, so I will write here ANALOGY. So how many of you have heard this word before or know the meaning of this word analogy? You can click on S icon. Okay, if you know this word or if you know the meaning of this word, click on S. If you do not know, then click on no. Okay, I just want to have an idea. This is a very easy topic. Okay, very simple, very easy topic. Everybody will get full marks. Okay, the topic name is analogy. If you heard about this word before, click on S. If you haven't heard, then click on no. So the meaning of this word, write the meaning of the word. Analogy in simple words means comparing the things. Okay, so basically you are comparing one thing to another. Okay, in simple words. Okay, so that is called analogy, a simple comparison. I will give one example. I will write one example. Okay, example. So it is just an example. Okay, so I will write my students are as sweet as sugar. I know you are not, but still. Okay, so my students are as sweet as sugar. So here what I'm doing, I'm comparing students to sugar. Okay, because my students are very nice, sweet, innocent, and all that. Okay, so it's just like that, a comparison. Another example I'll give. Another example. Okay, my college bag was as light as a feather. Okay, so you see, when you come to college, you don't carry all the books that you actually carry when you're in school. Okay, I still remember when I was in school, I used to carry all the books in my bag. Okay, full drawing book, computer science book, Hindi. The period is there or not there, I used to carry all the books. So I'll show you. School bag. I used to be like this. School bag, heavy. So I used to be like this, like a cow. I used to carry all the books. Okay, every book, whatever is there, not there, is to carry to my school. Okay, so, but when I went to college, I realized I need not carry the books. I need not take the books only. Okay, so, but still I had one bag, and in that bag, hardly one book and one pen. That's all for all the subjects. Okay, because college is different. Okay, anyways, so that is another example. So my college bag was as light as a feather. So here I'm comparing my college bag to a feather. Okay, it's just a comparison of things. Okay, so that is analogy. Very simple, very easy topic. So I'll show the first question. I will explain the first question. I'll explain the first question, and remaining we will do as a concept test. Okay, I will launch the poll and you can select the correct options. Okay, so here we'll start the topic analogy. Okay, cool. So this is analogy. As you can see, they have also given an instruction, that is, there's a certain relation between two given words. On one side of the double colon sign, one word is given on the other side, while the other word is to be found from the given alternatives. Alternatives are options having the same relation with this word as the given pair has. Okay, in basic words, you just have to find the relation. Okay, understand how it is connected, what is the relationship between words, and apply the same logic. First question I will tell answer. Okay, horse, what is the relationship between horse and jockey? The same relationship is there for car is to question mark. That question mark you have to select from the option. Okay, and jockey here means different. What you're thinking, that is not jockey. Okay, so this jockey is different. I will show you what this jockey is. Okay, I will search here in Google jockey horse. Jockey is the name, is the person who rides a horse. Okay, horse rider is called as jockey. Okay, for example, you can see here. So he is jockey. Okay, he rides horse. Okay, the other jockey, that brand that we use, that is different. Okay, so like this, see, these are the people, okay, who ride horse. Horse rider is called as jockey. So here I will explain. Okay, I will just write here the word horse, jockey, in the same way, car, question mark. So the relationship also I will tell. Horse is driven by, or horse is rode by, or horse rider is called as jockey. The same way, car is driven by, you don't call them as a car driver. We have a separate name for them. Okay, if you look at the options, the correct option here is chauffeur. Okay, you pronounce it as chauffeur. Okay, so chauffeur is the private car driver. Okay, so who is this chauffeur? I will show you the chauffeur so that you can visualize. Okay, see, I believe in making things visualized, because I may talk a lot, I may write a lot, but you may not remember. But once you see the picture, you will remember, because picture is equal to more than 1,000 words. Okay, so I want you to remember these pictures. Okay, chauffeur. So now you see he is a chauffeur. Yes. Okay. So this luxurious car, so the car driver is called as chauffeur. Okay. So now the answer to first question is chauffeur. So I will write here. Chauffeur. Okay, so that is our answer. Okay, so the first question here, the answer is chauffeur. If you understood this, click on the S icon. All the remaining questions are also simple, very easy. So this analogy is the simplest topic that you can have in this aptitude test. Okay, so next question. So I will launch it as a poll. Okay, you have to select the option A, B, C, D. Okay, I will give you the logic. Okay, melting is one of the process to obtain liquid. Melting of the substance is one of the process to obtain liquid. In the same way, freezing of the substance will give you dash. Okay, freezing of the substance will give you the dash. So on your screen, you will see the options A, B, C, D. You select you select the correct option A, B, C, D. Okay, now, so on your screen, you will see the poll. You have to select the correct option. Don't get confused. They're asking about states. Okay, you know the states of matter. Okay, they're asking about the states. Okay, do not get confused. Okay, so I will stop the poll in another 10 seconds. So those who did not answer, so please answer fast. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And I'm going to end the poll and let us see the answer. So I'm going to share the result. Okay, so 71% of the students have selected correct answer. Oh, but somehow some people have marked wrong answers. Okay, so here the trick here is to understand the state. Okay, they're not asking about any specific example. See, ice is a solid form of water only. Okay, kerosene, no. Okay, so you cannot choose a specific example. You have to go with the general case. So that is melting will give you liquid. In the same way, freezing will give you solid. That's all. Okay, so the correct answer will be solid. So I will write here the logic. So you also please write, because now you may understand easily, but after some days you may forget it. Okay, but if you write like this, the relationship or the reason, you will remember for longer duration of time. Okay, so that is why please write. It won't take much time. Okay, hardly 1 minute. So freeze. So we'll write here quickly the logic. Melting is one of the process to obtain liquid. To obtain liquid. The same way, freezing is one of the process to obtain solid. So over here, the answer that you should write is solid. Okay, good. So that was your question number 2. So now let's go to the next question. Okay, I will give you the hint, clues, everything. Don't worry. Okay, so third question, you have seismograph. The relationship between seismograph, earthquake, the same relationship is there between taciometer is to question mark. Okay, so seismograph is a measuring device which measures the intensity of earthquake. Okay, which measures the intensity of earthquake. In the same way, taciometer measures what? Okay, that is the question. Okay, for those who do not know, I'll just quickly write here and I'll show you also. Don't worry. Question number 3. Seismograph. You also please write. Seismograph is to earthquake. The same way, taciometer is to dash. Okay, so the logic here is seismograph measures the intensity of earthquake. Measures intensity of earthquake. You might have heard in the news, okay, that there is an earthquake of 9.1 Richter scale, 6.8 Richter scale. It's like that. So over here, taciometer measures dash. So what does it measure? So I will show you now. So here, first let us see seismograph. So for those who haven't seen, so this is how your seismograph will look like. Okay, so they will see the disturbance. Okay, and this is a simple apparatus. Okay, so to make you understand how it looks like, and then it will plot the graph, or it will show in this form of graph. Okay, so what is the intensity of the earthquake? Okay, so you might have seen in the TV and all, if there's lot of disturbances, there's uneven graph, that means a very high earthquake will be experienced. Okay, and this is our seismograph like this. It will look like this. Okay, cool. So this is seismograph. In the same way, we have tachometer. This tachometer will measure strain. Okay, this tachometer will measure strain. Okay, so what exactly is this strain? So just for knowledge, I will just write here. This is just for your knowledge, extra information. When you come to 11th standard, some 11th chapter or something in physics, you will learn about stress versus strain, graph, Young's modulus, all that. Okay, but here I'll just quickly tell you the definition. Strain actually means deformation of the body. Okay, how much the body is changing. Okay, so it is given by the formula strain is equal to change in length divided by original length. Okay, you have the formula delta L by L. L is for length. Delta means change. Okay, so this strain has no unit. Okay, it is unitless constant. Okay, it is unitless. It's just a number. Okay, it will tell you how much its shape is going to change, how much deformation it will experience because of the externally applied force or stress. Okay, so now tachometer will measure strain. It is a device to measure strain. So right here, strain. How does this look like? I will show you. Tachometer looks like this. Okay, a simple diagram. I'll show you. Tachometer. Okay, so the exact original diagram I could not find, but this is a simple representation of a tachometer. Okay, it will basically measure the strain or the deformation absorbed in the body. Okay, so our answer, if you go back, I have to put tick mark on strain. Okay, fine. So if you understood this, then click on the S icon if you understood this question number 3. It is just a device, a measuring device to measure strain. Okay, good, nice. So for every question, I will show you pictures or if required videos also, so that you will remember. I want you to improve your general knowledge. Along with that, your visualization skills. Okay, all these are very important for knowledge sake, not for marks, but for knowledge. Okay, cool. So next question, question number 4. Rubber is obtained from tree. In the same way, silk is obtained from what? Okay, you have 4 options. I'm going to launch the poll. A, B, C, D. You have to select the correct option. Okay, I repeat, rubber is obtained from tree. That is rubber tree. In the same way, silk is obtained from where? Okay, you have to select the options that is there on the screen. Okay, A, B, C, D, you select the correct option. Okay, so I'll give you another 5 seconds to select. It's simple, easy. I think all of you should know this. And I will show you also, don't worry, so that you can remember it for a long time. Okay, so 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. I'm going to stop the poll and let us see the answer. Okay, so very good. 91% of the students have selected correct answer. Some of you made mistake. No problem. Next time, try not to make the mistake. Okay, so the correct answer is insects. Okay, so silk is actually obtained from silkworm, but in the option, silkworm is not there. Okay, so the closest answer to that is insects. Okay, silk is obtained from silkworm. And now I'm going to show you silkworm. For those who cannot see this, close your eyes. Okay, for those who can see, you can see this image of silkworm. If this worms comes in your dream and all, I am not responsible. So because these silkworms maybe little uh, weird or disgusting to see. Huh. So these are the silkworms, okay, so which are used in making your silk, okay, the silk products, what it is, silk saree and all that. See, all of your see, my mom, your mom, and ladies, everyone, so they like silk sarees, okay, this beautiful silk sarees, whatever you see here, it is actually obtained from those worms. Okay. If you see this amazing silk saree, wonderful, good looking silk saree, just remember from where it is obtained. It's obtained from those silkworms. Okay. And not only sarees, okay, silk shirt will be there, or silk lungi, yeah, panche, whatever. Okay. So all those silk fabrics or silk textiles are obtained from the silkworm. Okay. So I remember, like, in school, when you have this farewell for your 10th standard or 12th standard, girls, they are supposed to come in saris, okay, and boys, anything like formals, okay. Some of them can come in the ethnic wear or panche, lungi, whatever. Okay, but girls usually prefer to come in saris. Okay, so I'd seen like some of my classmates who came in silk saris and all. Okay, so pretty beautiful. Okay, so when you also see all these silk saris next time, remember these silk saris or the silk products, whatever is there, is obtained from these worms. Okay, how do they make the silk saris? I'm going to show you that also. Okay, so on your screen, you see that is how all those silk textiles are made from the silkworm. Okay, so if you get a chance to visit any of the silk, like producing units or somewhere, you please watch. Okay, how they make this silk cocoons and all that. Okay, cool. So now, next question. So rubber. Okay, rubber is obtained from tree. So how many of you been to rubber tree plantation? It's pretty cool. So if you are not aware of that, I'm going to show you that also. Okay. So that is how the rubber is made. Okay. So when I was a kid, my dad took me to the plantation where all the rubber trees are there. And to be frank, it was boring, man, because like maybe I was just a kid, I did not notice properly, but I was really surprised to see the amount of water that they use for this, making this rubber and all the sheets and all. Okay, so but anyways, as I keep telling, if you ever get a chance to visit any of the factories or any such huge production houses, please go, don't miss. Even if it is a biscuit also, go. Parleji biscuit factory or something, go. You will actually see on a large scale how things are made, and maybe that might interest you to start liking science and then eventually fall in love with science. Okay, fine. So that is our question number 4. Okay, so now next question. Okay, so I'll tell you, fear is induced due to threatening. In the same way, anger is induced due to dash. Okay, so if you're good at English, if you know the meanings of English words, and then this question will be easy for you. Okay, so your vocabulary skills should be good. Okay, so fifth question. So on your screen, I will again launch the poll ABCD. You select the correct option. Okay, clue is fear is induced due to threatening. In the same way, anger is induced due to what? Okay, so last 5 seconds. So I'm gonna stop the poll. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. and let's check out the answer. You share the result. Okay, so only 46% of the students got it correct. Okay, others maybe got confused because of the words. So I'll tell you the meaning of all the options. Okay, so that you know what every word means. Okay, so fifth question. So I will write here quickly. Question number 5. Oh, I have to write here. Fear is induced because of threatening. In the same way, anger is caused because of provocation. Okay, what is the meaning of all this? I will tell. So, fear is induced. Threatening. Okay, so threatening, if somebody comes and gives you warning, next time if you do like this, then I will beat you, or something like that. Okay, then you have that dar or baya. Okay, that is fear. Same way, anger is induced due to provocation. Okay, so what is this provocation? I will write the meaning of the word also. Okay, so provocation means intentionally making someone angry. Okay, I'll give you an example. So suppose you do not like ice cream. Just imagine. Okay, suppose you do not like ice cream. Okay, so you told your friend that you don't want ice cream, but your friend is intentionally putting ice cream in your mouth. So first time you refuse, say macha, I don't want. Okay, but again your friend is forcibly putting ice cream in your mouth. So again you refuse, say macha, no, don't want, I don't like it. Third time if you again do that, then what you will do, you'll either scold him or beat him or something. Okay, so he, that is your friend, is intentionally making you angry. Okay, suppose in the school bus or something, you don't want to sit there, but is forcibly pushing you or making you sit there. Okay, then you will get angry. Okay, so intentional behavior or intentional speech which makes someone angry, that's called provocation. Okay, so that is the meaning. So the other one, that is panic. Okay, you can call this as anxiety or something. When you are in shock or something, so you get panicked. Okay, so gadbadahat. Okay, in Hindi you tell, or in Kannada gadibidi. Okay, so something. Okay, so when you are nervous or something, you get panicked. For example, uh, you are writing exam and teacher tells last 10 minutes, last 10 minutes remaining. So then you become nervous, you get panicked. Okay, because only 10 minutes, then you be in a hurry burry. Okay, so that is panic. Okay, next word, compulsion. Compulsion means uncontrollable urge or desire. So suppose you desperately want to play PUBG, you are not able to control yourself. Okay, so that is your compulsion. Okay, that is your compulsion. So you cannot control yourself from doing something. Okay, that is playing PUBG or watching IPL or something like that. Okay, which you cannot control. So that we call it as compulsion, uncontrollable urge or desire. I think force, so all of you should know. Okay, so in physics, force is push or pull. Okay, in physics. So, but in general things, it is just considered as strength. So suppose I am uh, applying my force, okay, to push the table. Okay, that is, I'm applying strength to push the table. Okay, so something like that. So you should know the meaning of the words. So this question answer, where did I write my this question answer is provocation. Okay, so I will rub this. This question answer is provocation. Okay, so that is our question number 5. Okay, so we'll go to next question. Okay, next question. Question number 6. Question number 6. Okay, so pigeon is a symbol for peace. In the same way, white flag is symbol for dash. So I'm going to launch the poll. So on your screen, you will see ABCD poll, and you have to select the correct option. Okay, pigeon is symbol for peace. Okay, in the same way, white flag is symbol for what? Okay, quickly. Okay, so you can select from the correct option from the poll. Okay, remember during the war and all, they will show this. Or if you have seen Tom and Jerry, okay, you might have seen sometimes Tom shows the white flag to Jerry, such that to stop the war or something, to stop fighting. So I'm gonna end the poll and let us see the answers. Okay, so on your screen, so 72% of you have selected the correct answer. Okay, that is surrender, but others have made mistake. Okay, so now the answer over here is surrender. Okay, the answer here is surrender. Okay, because pigeon is symbol of peace, and in the same way, white flag is symbol for surrender. So if you haven't seen, so I will show you the image or photo here. White flag during war. Okay, so you might have seen this in the war movies or films or somewhere. You see, like this. Okay, so when somebody holds this white flag, that means he wants to surrender. He doesn't want to fight. It is an indication for the enemy to not shoot him, because he is agreeing to surrender himself. Okay, so that is what the meaning of this white flag is. You may see that sometimes, okay, the soldiers, they put this white flag and they go start walking. Okay, so that means the enemies should not shoot them, because they have already surrendered. They don't want to fight. Okay, they give up the war. Okay, or they are ready to stop the war. Okay, so white flag is symbol for surrender. Okay, white flag is symbol for surrender. So over here, our answer, question number 6, answer is surrender. Pigeon is symbol for peace. The same way, white flag is symbol for surrender. Let's see, if you want, I'll write it over here, quick, fast. After this, we'll do one more last question. Then I have to do German basics as well as speed mathematics also. So pigeon to peace. Same way, white flag to what? So the logic is pigeon is the symbol for peace. Same way, white flag is the symbol for surrender. Okay, fine. So we'll do one more last question. I will put this worksheet in the group for your homework. Okay, see, there are some 15 questions. That's all. Okay, and we have like one more worksheet which has another 15-20 questions. That's all. Everything is very easy. Okay, it is just some logic and some basic common sense, and you can get everything correct answer. Okay, if you have any doubts, again in the next class we'll again clarify all this. We'll finish this topic next class. Okay, so question number 7, I'll tell you the logic. Wax is used to make grease. In the same way, milk is used to make dash. Okay, so you have 4 options. Okay, on your poll, I will launch the poll on your screen. you have to select the correct option. Okay. Last question. After this, we'll stop. Okay. Wax is used to make grease. In the same way, milk is used to make dash. You have to select the best correct answer out of 4 options, which is the best answer that you should select. Okay. Fast. So last 5 seconds. So 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And I'm gonna stop it now. Okay. And let us see what you guys have selected. So 85% of you, very nice, selected the correct answer. Some of you made mistake while selecting the options. So you can see here, milk is used to make curd. Okay. See, of course, ghee is also one of the dairy product, but to make ghee, I use butter. Okay. Butter is the immediate raw material to make ghee. In the same way, the immediate raw material to make curd is milk. Okay. So the way wax is used to make grease, in the same way, milk is used to make curd. Okay. So I'll just quickly write this. And one extra information or knowledge I want to just quickly tell you. Wax is used to make grease, the same way milk is used to make dash. Okay, so I will write wax is one of the raw material to make grease. If you do not know, I will show you how exactly grease is made. Milk is used to make curd. Okay, so now the important knowledge thing that I want you to understand is this. Milk, sorry, not milk, curd and yogurt. How many of you think curd and yogurt both are same? Okay, I'll write here curd. C-U-R-D, curd, yogurt. So how many of you think curd and yogurt both are same? Click on yes. Click on yes. If you think curd and yogurt both are not same, then click on no, because you should know the difference. For those who do not know, I'm going to show you the yogurt. Yogurt is this. Okay, all of you might have seen in the supermarket and all that, big bazaar or whatever. Okay, you see this is your yogurt. Okay, so let me tell you, yogurt and curd, they are not same. Okay, yogurt and curd, they are not same. They are different dairy products. Okay, and you should know this. So I'm going to write what is the difference between curd and yogurt. Okay, so first thing, curd has less protein content in it. Okay, whereas yogurt has more protein content compared to curd. Okay, and curd is actually less expensive. Curd is less expensive, whereas yogurt is more expensive. For example, you can get curd, or in Hindi you call this as dahi. In Kannada you call this as mosaru. Okay, so you can get this for like 12 rupees or 13 rupees something, but yogurt is costly. Maybe 30 rupees or 35 rupees. In yogurt, you get different flavors. Okay, you can get mango flavor yogurt or like the other things also. And yogurt is actually good for health. It's health conscious. Okay, if you're doing dieting or something, all these people, they use yogurt. Okay, those who are health conscious, they prefer yogurt. Okay, because it is more healthy compared to curd. Okay, curd is also good, but compared to yogurt, yogurt is better. Okay, so I'll write here, curd is not good for dieting. If you want to lose weight, for those who go to gym and all those film actors, actors and models, everyone, they prefer yogurt. Because curd is actually not good for, not good for dieting. So I'll write here, not good for dieting. Okay. So this is something that you should know. Curd and yogurt are not same. Okay. And what exactly is the big difference? For making of yogurt, you have this separate yogurt cultures, or the bacteria that is used to make yogurt cultures, they are different. Of course, lactobacillus is only used, but a special variety of lactobacillus, that is lactobacillus bulgarius, is used for making of yogurt. Okay. And for curd, it's just like no simple lactobacillus, okay, bacteria will do the job. But for yogurt, you have like special yogurt cultures. Okay. So do not worry. I'm going to show you how exactly they will make yogurt so that you have clarity. So let's quickly go visit this yogurt industry where they will show you. Okay, fine. So next time when you visit, carefully observe the yogurt packet ingredients. Turn backwards and see the ingredients, everything. Okay, everything please observe carefully. Okay, as a science student, you should have great observation skill. Okay, cool. So that is this question number 7. Okay, and as I told, so I'm gonna end here, and the remaining questions I'll put it in the group. Okay, so all the remaining questions you can try at home. You have any doubt, you can definitely ask in the next class. And first we will do Kahoot quiz based on the topic analogy. Okay, so let us see how much you understood this topic analogy. Very simple, very easy. So take your mobile, type www.kahoot.it website, and on your screen I will now show you the game password. You can enter this game password and join the quiz. Okay, what is the game password? So I'm gonna display it on my laptop screen. Yes, so there you go. On the screen you can see the game password, that is 261139. Okay, you enter this and you join the Kahoot, and we can start this quiz on analogy. Okay, after this we will do little German as well as speed mathematics as much as possible. Okay, this is the live quiz. Okay, so you enter this game pin and you join the game. I hope all of you know the instruction of how to play this Kahoot quiz. You have to go to your web browser, Google, yeah, Firefox, whatever you are having, and enter www.kahoot.it. Okay, when you enter this website, they will ask you for the game pin. You enter the game pin 261139. 261139. You enter this number and you join the game. I'll wait for another 30 seconds. I'll wait for another 30 seconds and then we'll start the game. Okay, so 70 players have already joined. Others, please join fast. Okay, bega, bega, bega. Jaldi, jaldi. After this, I have Kahoot for German also, man. Yesterday, I couldn't, schedule the German quiz. Okay, so it got messed up. Okay, so anyway, so please join fast. So others who couldn't join, I'll be starting the quiz now. You can join in between. Okay, but you will be losing your points. So on your screen, you see the first question based on analogy. First question. So the pin you can see on your screen, bottom right corner, you see there is pin. Okay, on your Zoom screen, you check out, the pin is there. Okay, first question, easy question. We did it today only, now only. Okay, so please select the correct option. Same question, ditto, same question. So last 5 seconds. Last 5 seconds. And time up. Okay, very nice. 73 students got it correct. Fantastic. Let us see who is leading the scoreboard. Okay, Pranamya was the first to answer. So hence Pranamya is leading. Next question. Next question. Question number 2. Same question. Ditto. Easy question. Simple. Okay, answer fast, fast. Okay, now only we did this question. Okay, so please vote fast. You have another 20 seconds. I don't know why this question has so much time. Okay, so last 10 seconds. And finally, time up. Okay, let us see who is leading after 2 questions. Who is the topper of the leaderboard or the scoreboard? Okay, Pranamya is still leading. Okay, 2008 points. Very good. Next question. Question number 3. So, for preparation of bread, yeast is used in the same way for preparation of curd. Which microorganism is used? Okay, you should know the answer. Just now I had told the answer also. Okay, fast, fast, fast. Okay, so very nice. 73 students got this correct. Okay, so next question. Okay, so Pranamya is still leading. Okay, good. Next question. Next question. Question number 4. So botany is study of plants. In the same way, anatomy is study of dash. Okay, botany is study of plants. In the same way, anatomy is study of dash. You look at the picture on the screen, Zoom screen, you get an idea. Okay, there is a picture which is telling you something. Look at the picture carefully. That is the clue. Okay, so I again repeat, botany is study of plants. If you're good at biology, then you should know all this. Botany, zoology, all this you should know. Herpetology, ornithology, everything you should know. Okay, just a fun fact, ornithology is the study of birds. Okay, herpetology is study of reptiles. Entomology is study of insects. Okay, and anatomy is study of internal organs. Okay, so 22 students got it right. Not bad. Okay, so Yash is now the new leader. Okay, so now next question, last question. Malaria is caused due to this microorganism called Plasmodium, which is a protozoa. In the same way, COVID-19 is caused due to which microorganism? You have the 4 easiest question and 4 options. Select the correct option. Everybody should get this correct. By the way, easy question. Okay, why did 6 students mark wrong? You don't know coronavirus is caused by virus only. No, it's viral. How can you make mistake? Okay, those 6 students who got it wrong. So please remember, COVID-19 is actually caused by a virus. Okay, fine. So now at the end of this quiz, so let us see who are the toppers. Okay, so third position we have Manthan. Second position Sumit. First position is backed by Yash. Okay, so congratulations everyone. Fourth position Mehak. Fifth position Sanjeevi. Okay, so very nice. Congratulations. So others who couldn't make in the top 5, it's okay, no problem. You can still be in the top 5 in the upcoming quizzes. Okay, so I'll put the homework today in the group. Along with that, one homework quiz of Kahoot also, so that you guys can actually do the homework and then attempt that Kahoot quiz. Okay. So with that, I'll just end today's class. It's already 5:45. Okay. I wanted to do German as well as the speed mathematics, but we ran out of time. But anyways, okay. So never mind. Today I will just at least tell one last sentence. Okay, in German. So in German, if this is Danke bis morgen. Okay, this means in German, thank you, see you tomorrow. Okay, so if I want to tell another sentence, last sentence, okay, that is Danke bis bald. Okay, that means thank you. Danke means thank you. Thank you. See you soon. Okay, thank you. See you soon. Okay, so danke, bis bald. So on your screen, I'll just launch one last poll. I just figured this new settings. Okay, so on your poll, you will see one question and you select the correct answer. Okay, so if you like the class, click on S. If you did not like the class, click on no. No problem. I'll improve myself the next time. Okay, so I'll try to include some more wonderful things so that you like the class. Okay, so it's already time up, so I have to hand over the class to Mohit sir. Okay, so thank you so much. So I'll just share the result. Okay, so thank you so much. So those who did not like the class, never mind. Next time I'll improve it. Okay, thank you. So danke, bis bald. Okay, fine. So now handing it over to Mohit sir. So this is German, not some Spanish or some other language. Okay, German language. Don't get confused. So now Mohit sir will take over. So thank you so much. So let's meet next time. So see the homework today. Finish the homework and attempt the Kahoot quiz. I'll put it in the group. For Maharashtra students, I'll send it to Aman sir. You take it from Aman sir. Okay. Thank you.
Okay, good evening, guys. I hope all of you are doing well. So, how's everybody here? Just give me a minute, guys, as I set up. Okay, 1 second. I'll start it again here.